Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorials we are going to talk about new update of one of the most popular in recent days of Shopify free theme. This is Horizon theme, and we have got the new update version 1.0.1 available for Horizon themes. And if I go to my Shopify online store, I have at the beginning, in the first time, published the article in my YouTube channel, create a full course how to design your Shopify online store with Horizon theme, and this is the course theme or reference design. And if I click on here, you see my current version is 1.0.1 and latest version is or updated version 1.0.5. and what's the added in here? Added show second image on hover and show carousel settings to product cart global settings, made hero section clickable in the theme editor. This is the main big changes. Also fixed and improvement list in here. So first we are going to update our theme. I'm going to update it, so click on the add theme library. Before that I must have to duplicate this one. This is very good practice, so always start work by taking backup or duplicate theme. So we have to wait a little bit time about for that. And now click on the add to theme library. That's mean we are adding updated theme, waiting for complete the processing. Adding Horizon version 1.0.5 to the theme library. Your customization were copied successfully, publish and review. So click on the publish. Wait a little bit time. Publish. Yes, we have updated our theme, the Horizon theme. Now we can check the big changes and added the new features. So first of all, remove this one or close this one, go to the customize section, and they have made the hero section clickable in the theme editor. So first I'm going to check it. So you can see that here is the hero section and here is the link, and no click option right now, but I'm going to add link. Open link in new tab. Yes, it's working. So we get it as they have added. And second thing, they added show second image on hover at show carousel settings to product cart global settings. So now go to the product page, open a default product, and product information. Here is the product information, product media. Click on the product media and try carousel. Yes, we see carousel in here, arrow, large arrow. Yes, pagination, perfect. Yes, we find it. Then go to the home page, and click on here. Yes, you see the second image on hover, product carousel on mobile settings. We got it. Also going to reload the home page. Yes, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Then go to the check another things, that is settings. Go to the product section, product card, quick add to cart. The quick add to cart, quick add to cart in mobile, show second image in hover, show carousel. Yes, we find it. So this is very important things, or very important feature for any Shopify online store, especially for product page. So now we can add this feature and change it. Also here is the improvement, and I don't want to waste your time by telling the details about this improvement and fixes. I will share this list in the video description, so you can check it on the video description and understand better. Okay, so thank you so much for your time to watch this video. I hope this information or update for Shopify users, for any Shopify users like you, is very helpful. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.